Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we have a guest, Bryan Sisk from Go Fish in Stonington, Connecticut, aka the Maki Master. Check him out on the social medias. That's how I came across him, where he does elaborate, beautiful portraits and art on the inside of rice on sushi.
I use ube for purple. I use char siu for the red. Beet juice, eel sauce for the brown, and squid ink's probably my #1 thing I use for like lime work.
Sure, I mean it's crazy.
So
that's amazing.
It's nuts.
You've been doing it for a while now, huh?
Yeah, I've been doing it for a couple of years. I love doing it. It's so much fun.
You've been making sushi for a while before that, though, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. For 26 years, I've been a sushi chef.
Turns out he lives right down the road from me. So we linked up, connected the dots, and it also happens that I'm not very good at making sushi as much as I love it. So Bryan's gonna show us the two most common types of Americanized sushi, should we say?
Yeah, the maki is definitely American sushi. In Japan, it's all more about the fish.
But for today's demonstration, we're making two types of rolls. We're gonna make a scallion hamachi and a tuna avocado with some cucumber, and you got some lovely little radish sprouts you mentioned, right? Yeah. We're all gonna learn together some tips, some inside little fun things that can help you make sushi at home. Or at least just learn something about the stuff we all love and eat so much of, for God's sakes. Before we get going, Bryan, on the show here, we got a little thing, I do a little ingredient shrine, okay?
Oh.
And we do a little respect to what we're gonna be using. Talk to me about this. We have you popped this out of your car.
Jerry's homemade Tosa Joyu.
Jerry?
Yeah, my Jerry Kodama, my mentor, makes this beautiful Tosa Joyu. It's homemade soy sauce. It has all kinds of good stuff in it.
Ooh.
3 years.
Ooh. That's a magnum of it too, bud.
Yellowfin tuna. Sushi grade.
Beautiful.
Delicious. My favorite. Yellowtail. It's a yellow jack. It's very buttery. English cucumbers, take the seeds out.
Cut them seeds out.
Yep, you want them to be about 3.
Like that little detail, take the seeds out. And then what we got a little, what's this, little nori?
Nori seaweed, yep. Can't have a roll without it, unless they have soy paper also, but we don't have that today. We have nori, dehydrated seaweed, pressed, smoky flavor. White ginger, pickled ginger. I prefer it. Fresh wasabi right here. I didn't bring the bag.
Fresh.
Yeah, you can tell because it comes right apart. Really good stuff.
Wow, it's not just heat, it's flavor. And then a little avocado.
Avos, we're gonna be using avocados for our tuna, avocado, cucumber, and sprout roll. Sushi rice, it needs to be perfect. If you have bad rice, you have bad sushi.
Let's get into the first one, which was what again?
Hamachi scallion roll. You got your nori. I always start with my ginger. I put some with water here, bowl water.
So is this warm water, room temp?
No, room temp.
Okay, room temp water.
Cold room temp.
And ginger juice. Why the heck are you putting ginger juice in?
Well, it's vinegar, and ginger is an antiseptic. It cleans your hands.
Oh, nice.
If you notice, a lot of sushi chefs don't wear gloves. This is why. Your hands have to be clean. You want to take about a handful, so you want to slide it on like this,
you smear it on like that.
Yeah. You roll the rice on.
Now, how do you make it so the rice isn't sticking to your fingers? That's the wetness.
That's the wetness right there.
Can you be too wet?
Yes, it can.
And you'll make a mess?
It'll make a mess. Sesame seeds on the outside.
Ooh, a little black and white.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
You can do whatever you want,
You can do whatever you want. You can load down if you like sesame. So you flip it.
No bench water or nothing?
Nope, right onto the table.
Oh, that made me a little nervous to watch.
I don't know. I don't know if this sticks or whatever. We'll find out. So we'll put some scallion down here.
This is terrifying.
Hamachi, beautiful. We'll cut a nice chunk.
That rice, is it warm?
It is. Yes, it's room temperature.
Room temperature.
Room temperature.
Room temperature.
I'm going to split this right down the middle.
And that's it right there. That's the roll.
Yeah, that's the roll. Very simple roll.
$14.99, $26.99.
So right here.
Oh gosh,
right?
just with your hands?
Yeah, you want to pinch it off, Brad.
Okay.
All right, like this. And then you roll it.
Oh, okay. Yep. What?
So you take this dry mat here, put it on top, and you kind of shape it, you see. You can use a little pressure.
Almost like a little rectangular. That's it?
Yeah, that's it. And then we're going to cut it I usually cut it.
Oh, you wet your knife there a little?
Always wet your knife because it's sticky.
Yep.
Sticky business. You want it to go through right in the middle.
Just confidence and clean slices there.
Yeah, this is the easy way of cutting.
Okay.
So right now you have a simple Hamachi scallion.
That looks delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks great, huh?
Yeah.
Well, chickens, get out of here. Get out of here, girls. You can't have any sushi. And how would you normally serve that? With a little...
Just a little soy. You just
A little brush of it.
brush or a little dip.
Yeah,
people freaking, they're
douse.
dunking it. Put ginger on top of their sushi, no. Oh,
Ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup, tuna, avocado, cucumber, sprout.
All right, wet hands always.
Wet hands.
But not too wet.
Water's the rice's enemy.
So you want to use as little as possible. Are you leaving a little lip there?
You want to leave a little section up here to wet it so that it will connect with the
Oh, that's
other
like the little
side.
joint
Yeah.
glue line.
It is. Sesame seeds. We'll go sesame.
That looks great. That's like speaking to me over there. And avocado, that's like almost in the middle?
Yeah, everything kind of lined up here. Just a couple slices.
Yeah, nothing crazy. Let's not get crazy.
More is not better. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
We got
Right in the middle.
Our sprouts here. These are really yummy. They're radish sprouts. They're kariwari sprouts.
Mmm.
All right, so there's your base here.
What,
Now-
you got them hanging out there?
Yeah, you'll see.
What the heck is that?
So you always want to go against the grain. Not too much. Maybe 2 to 3 pieces here. We'll go 3. We'll go big today.
All right, look at that. That's a good portion of fish there.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
That's a meal.
So you want to wet the lip right here.
Oh, God, this is making me nervous.
So again, you got to pinch it.
Okay,
here.
that's important, huh?
Yeah.
That little crimp is
So
that's
right
crucial.
here, you want to put pressure on this here. Take a mat, roll it right through. Again, give it a little pressure.
Ooh la la! Look at you, Brian. Oh, I like that. I wish my parents sent that to lunch for me when I was a child, you know? Beautiful little bouquet with the scallion. Delicious, easy eating. Yeah, I watched you make this beautiful platter. I'm gonna try to make one of them. I got it. All right, so we got our nori rough side up, like that.
You good?
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a one-hand job.
A little more. You're
Almost
looking
like a
good.
cup
You can,
of rice.
And you can always take away too. All right.
Right down.
Then you want to spread it.
I don't know if I can do this. I would have done this if you weren't here. I would have applied it in 3 globs.
You want to cover all the nori.
Really? I'm gonna start breaking the grain. I'm gonna call it there. A little bit of sesame seed on there. All right, we're flipping this baby right over, correct?
Flip it over.
Right onto the table. Right down the center, like a.
You right down the center.
Like
You
a
could
little-
just evenly distribute it as much as you like. It's a little.
Yeah, that's the beauty. I think that's what's great about this too. You can really riff around.
Yeah.
Once you get the scary part, the rice, onto the nori, like you said.
It's the hardest part.
And look, how do you feel about me? What I'm doing here?
You can overlap a little bit.
A little bit, usually not.
That's fine. All right. And there you go. Make sure you get over the fish on both sides.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God, I'd have a line. People would be pissed. Where you put that?
Oh no,
Here?
you're gonna put it over the roll.
Oh right.
You can be pretty. Put some pressure
push
into
it?
it. Yeah, so you can shape it, tighten it up, and shape it. You're looking good, dude. Look at that.
You're a little heavy with the thumb there. I'm
So-
feeling cute. And you wet your knife, you said. So you're pushing down too.
Yeah, you are. You're pushing and you're.
Is that
you're
why
slicing
knives,
it.
like sushi knives, that are often pretty heavy?
Yeah.
Would you hire me? Give me a shot anyway?
Yeah, man.
Trainable?
I would. You're workable. This is definitely I could work with you.
Look at that. Are you kidding me? This is my first roll.
It's a great first roll, man.
It is my first roll, I think. I always
Yeah,
just make
good
little
shit.
like nigiris. All right, nice little kiss. Boom. You don't need the sob, do you? That's nice? Of course it is, Brad.
Nice. Yeah, you do well. This piece is a little shiesty right here.
That one for Bobby. Brian, that was freaking awesome. But it was a blast, man. And thank you for all the tips. Especially the big takeaways for me was the 2 sides of the nori.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was a rough and a smooth. And then cutting the fish against the grain.
Yeah.
Just keeping it nice and clean and tight and nice. Even cutting your vegetables into the length of into the nori.
Yep.
All your mise en place just kind of squared away and get good fish. And it seems like practice a lot.
All right.
And man, keep doing the artwork on that. That's amazing. Check him out, the Maki Master.
Maki Master.
Yeah, on the Instagrams, on the YouTubes, or what are you doing?
I'm everywhere.
He's everywhere.
Instagram.
On the social medias, on
Yeah.
in Kmart, everywhere you want to go. If you're ever in Stonington, Connecticut, near Mystic there, check it out. It's, what was it? Go Sushi.
Go Fish.
Jesus, bro.
Go Fish.
Like I said it 7 times. It's unbelievable. There's something wrong with me, I think. I think there really is something wrong with me. This stuff is special right here, bud.